Mark Campbell here, Canberra, the symmetrical drummer in these parts. We are a rare breed, and a even rarer breed, more rare perhaps, is a symmetrical percussionist who uses their feet. I love these inventions of mine, the foot operated Shekeres. Instead of a hi-hat, I've replaced it with a Shekere. Down below I have an 18-inch rototom with wooden hoops and a suspension system. That'll come up in the shot in a minute. For my hands I have 14-inch djembe, a 10-inch darbuka with modified head system, and I think it's a 9.5-inch conga. There's that rototom. There's my darbuka with the custom tuning system. There's the foot base for the Shekere. Note the super soft beta on that bass drum, because I want it to be supportive of the hand rhythms, and therefore I don't want an extreme attack. It's not too bad, but it's a little warmer with the softer beta. Now I'm going to start my timer down in the bottom corner there. Let's do 5 minutes of dotted notes in the form of an endless Tresillo. Not the common Tresillo, which loops after one bar, or the 1 bar clave as it's sometimes called. This is a 3 bar clave, which is based on 8th notes or dotted crotchets. I've written the rhythm there using the 8th notes. 4, 1. Just going to walk my feet underneath with the metronome just to get into the pulse of 64 crotchets per minute. Larghetto. Does anyone use the Italian tempo terms nowadays? Larghetto. So this is our crotchet pulse. These are my clave, holding the clave with a resonating hand cup. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 again, and 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once more. 1, and 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back to the pulse. So that's as written. If we go down the note tree to dotted minims, the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back up, and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. My timer seems to have stalled. I'll just give it a start again. So much for the 5 minutes. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Let's go up the note value. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and adding another layer of dotted notes based on dotted quavers. 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and ba. And 2 and 4 and 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1. We'll go up one more level to the dotted 16ths. Dotted semi-quavers. That implies 30-second notes, which are that small. Quite hard to count those 30-second notes, so the convention is to count the 16th note count and double it in your head. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Being careful not to rush, trying to squeeze in and race towards the pulse. Something about dense note patterns. Causes racing. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So the Tresillo for the dotted 16ths. And quickly reset those 30-second notes. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. And that is 5 minutes raced by, thoroughly, completely raced in my perception. Felt like 5 seconds, more than 5 minutes, 300 seconds. So that's the dotted basis of the Tresillo at any note value. The 1, the 4, the 3, the 2, the 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 1 E and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3, 4 and 1 E and 2, 3 and 4 E and 1. And that super fast one. And they all fit together like a nested pattern. The 1, the 4, the 3 and the 2 actually fit in underneath those. 3, 2. So it's quite a nice groovy pattern that can be opened out and closed, rather than just sticking with the one bar. Which is so common that most people know that rhythm. They know it implicitly because it's being heard every day of their lives. If they listen to any sort of music, the 1 bar Tresillo will come out. Alright, I'm going to review this Zoom recording for sync, for quality, and to see how precise I was with my dreaded metronome. So, I will catch you in the next one. Bye.